Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 5.2 question number 5. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6, 2 to 8, 5 to 11, 10 to 1, 12 to 9 and 12 to 6. Okay, we discuss this one. First of all, we make a clock, right? We are making a clock here. Now, written this is 12. This is 12. This is 6. This is 3 and this is 9, right? This is 1 2 3, it is 4, it is 5 6, it is 7, it is 8 9, 10 and it is 11. Now if it goes from 3 to 6, this is the center of the clock, this is 3 and goes to 6, right? Goes to 6. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6, right? If we find that if we make here, see, this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree and this is also 90 degree, right? The question is find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. 3 to 6, that means it goes from 3 to 6. 3 to 6. That means it is going to in clockwise direction, right? It is going in clockwise direction. 3 to 6. How much angle it is? Now we will know that one complete revolution. We know that one. We know that one complete revolution. One complete revolution. One complete revolution. One complete revolution is equal to 360 degree, right? And how many hours are there in a clock? Here you see that is 12 hours. That means we can say that, therefore we can say that 12 hour is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Therefore 1 hour is equal to 360 by 12, 360 degree by 12, that is 3 to 36, 30, 1 hour equal to 30 degree, right? Now it has gone from 3 to 6, and how many hours? That is here 1 hour, 3 to 4, 1, 2, 3 hours. That means question number A, it has gone 3 hours, right? And 1 hour is 30 degree, therefore 3 hours is equal to 3 into 30 degree, that is equal to 90 degree, right? Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. Number of right angles, that is one right angle, right? Therefore it is, if we divide 90 by 90, if we divide, that means one right angle, that means it is one right angle, one right angle. Now question number B, if it goes from 2 to 8, if it goes from 2 to 8, let us find what we are getting. 2 to 8, that is, if it goes 2 to 8, then what you are getting, you see, we remove this one, right? Now if it goes from 2 to 8, what you will get, you see here 2 to 8 here, This is the center of the clock. This is the center of the clock. From 2, here it is 2, and it goes on clockwise to 8. Where is 8? This is 8. You count how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Now we'll find 6 hours means 6 hours means how much degree? That is 6 into 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. And if we divide by 90 degree, we are getting 2 right angle. 2 right angle. Right? That means if it goes from 2 to 8, we are getting 2 right angle. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 2 to 8, that is 2 right angle. Now question number C. Now question number C, we will deal question number C in this way. You see, first we will rub this one. Now question number C, 5 to 11. This is the center of the here you see, this is the center of the clock. It goes from 5 to 11. This is 5. It goes to 11. That is here. You have to count how many hours? 5 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Again, in this case also 6 hours. It goes 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours means how much degree? That is 6 into 30 degree. 6 into 30 degree. That is 180 degree. And if we divide by 90 degree, we are getting 2 right angles. 2 right angles. 2 right angles. Right? This is question number C. Right? Now, question number D. 10 to 1. If we go from 10 to 1, what will get? Right? 10 to 1. Let us first stop this one. 10 to 1. Right? If it goes from 10 to 1, what will happen? We'll see. This is 8. This is 8. Now, question number D. 10 to 1. This is 10. This is the center of the clock. This is 10. 10 to 1. If it goes clockwise, he will get in this way. 10 to 1. How many hours? 10, 11, 12, 1. That is 3 hours. What is the value of 3 hours? You see here. Question number D. 3 hours. We are getting 3 hours. 3 hours. 3 hours means 3 into 30 degree. 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. That means 1 right angle. 1 right angle. 1 right angle. Right? Now we'll deal question number E and F. Let us find out question number E and F. Right? First of all, we will rub this one. Question number E and F. Now, question number E. Now, we will deal question number E and F. What is question number E? Question number E is if it goes from If it goes from 12 to 9, then what will find? 12 to 9. Here you see, this is the center of the clock. This is the center of the clock. This is the center of the clock. And 12 to 9. This is 12. This is 12. 12 to 9. But we are going clockwise in direction in this way. Right? This is 9. This is 9. And going to clockwise direction. Right? You count how many hours? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. Right? Now you see question number E. 9 hours. 9 hours. 9 hours is equal to 9 into 30 degree. That is 270 degree. If we divide 270 by 90, 0 will cut, 3 9 27, that is 3 right angles. Right angles. Right? Now question number F. If it goes from 12 to 6, then how much? 90 degree. 12 to 6. Let us find 12 to 6. Again we are rubbing it. That is 12 to 6. 12 to 6. Right? Let us take 12 to 6. Now question number F. 12 to 6. This is the center of the clock. It is going from 12 to 6. This is the 12 o'clock and this is 6. You have to count the hours. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours. Now question number F is 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours means 6 into 30 degree. That is 180 degree. If we divide 180 by 90 degree, then we are getting 2 9 18. That is equal to 2 right angles. 2 right angles. This is easy method, but you have to understand how you are going. Right? This is the way you can find the different number of right angles. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you will get the uploaded videos first of all. Thank you everybody for watching this video.